Hello friends, I am Sonali Agrawal. In this video, I'll teach you cross multiplication method to solve the pair of linear equations in two variables. So, we have two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. Name this as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. These are the standard equation in two variables. Okay. So, in first equation, the coefficient of x is a1 and the coefficient of y is b1 and constant is c1. In the second equation, the coefficient of x is a2 and the coefficient of y is b2. So, there are three conditions, three necessary conditions. First one is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. When a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then it has unique solution. First condition. Second condition, a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 equal c1 upon c2. Then this pair of linear equation will have infinite solution or many solution. That means we cannot find unique solution for the equations. Third condition. A1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 which is not equal to c1 upon c2. Then this pair of linear equation will have no solution. Let's take an example to understand this point clear. (3x plus 4y equal 10 and 2x minus 2y equal 2. First, let's write them in standard form. It means in the form of equation 1 and 2. So 3x plus 4y minus 10 equals 0 and 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals 0. Name this as equation and this as equation 2. Now a1 equal b1 equal c1, a2 b2 c2, where a1 is the coefficient of x in equation 1, b1 is the coefficient of y in equation 1. Now here the coefficient of x is 3, so a1 is 3. Here the coefficient of y is 4, so b1 is 4. Similarly, c1 is minus 10. Okay, here the coefficient of x is 2, so a2 is 2. Coefficient of y is minus 2 and c2 is minus 2. So let's check. A1 upon a2 equal 3 upon 2. Similarly, b1 upon b2 equal 4 upon minus 2. We see a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. That is 3 upon 2 is not equal to 4 upon minus 2. So this pair of linear equation will have unique solution. We can find the unique solution for this pair of linear equations. First, write this equation in standard form. So 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals 0. 4x. Okay, so these are the standard form of these equations. Now x का कोफिशिएंट मतलब होता है जो x के आगे लिखा हो, तो यहाँ x का कोफिशिएंट है 2, सो वैल्यू ऑफ a1 विल बी 2. सिमिलरली y के आगे लिखा हुआ है 3, तो y का कोफिशिएंट होगा 3, सो वैल्यू ऑफ b1 विल बी 3. सिमिलरली c1 इक्वल माइनस 8. ऐसे ही इक्वेशन सेकेंड के लिए देखेंगे. a2 इक्वल x के आगे लिखा हुआ है 4, तो यहाँ आएगा 4. b2 इक्वल 6 and c2 equal minus 7. Now see, a1 upon a2 equal 2 upon 4. That means 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2 equal 3 upon 6. That means 1 upon 2. C1 upon C2 equal minus 8y minus 7. So here A1 upon A2 equal B1 upon B2, which is not equal to C1 upon C2, because 1 upon 2 equal 1 upon 2 is not equal to 8 upon 7. So this pair of linear equation will have no solution. So let's take one more example to understand the concept clearly. Okay, so here the coefficient of x is 2. So A1 is 2, B1 is 3 and C1 is minus 9. Similarly, A2 is 4, B2 is 6 and C2 is minus 18. Now A1 upon A2 is 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. B1 upon B2 is 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2. C1 upon C2 is minus 9 upon minus 18, that is 1 by 2. A1 upon here A1 upon A2 equal B1 upon B2 equal C1 upon C2, because 1 upon 2 equal 1 upon 2 equal 1 upon 2. So this pair of linear equation will have many solution or infinite solution. We cannot find the value of x and y for this particular pair of linear equations in two variables. So this is it for this particular question. So these are your assignment question. Let me know which pair of linear equation will have no solution, which will have unique solution and which will have infinite solution. Okay. Let me know in the comment section if you want videos on any other subject, and also if you want videos in Hindi or in English. Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.